Hey guys, and welcome once again back here to our channel. Today with Mr. Quintero, we are going to redo our kids. What are these called? Our kids scooters. As you can tell, they have been worn out. And we are going to show you how we are going to make them look brand new. Stay tuned. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to pull these apart. I'll edit.
You recording?
Coming along.
We ran into a problem.
What is the problem, Mr. Quintero?
The worst thing that could happen. Strip screw.
Oh, is there a solution?
We have to find one that's a little bit bigger and then bang it in there.
That's the solution.
Yes, it could be tight.
That's a professional
That way
solution,
I can
right?
take it out from the other side.
But I just want to make sure everybody knows that is the professional solution. You put a bigger one in there and bang the raffle off of it. Okay.
I mean, it's going to be a tight fit. That way you can hold it right and spin the other one. Now spinning here, look, and it's spinning there.
Oh, professionalism at its best. Let's see if Mr. Quintero's idea works out.
Dad in this.
So far so good. We have...
This is rust. Nasty. We could have bought him a new one.
Yeah, but this is going to cost us like $7 a piece, right? No, about $14. We bought the handlebars, they're $6. We bought their spray paint for their paint, that was about $4 a pop. And then we already have the WD-40, and this is what he's using when they get locked in from being rusty. Is that the word?
Yeah, rust.
You guys will see how gorgeous the outcome. So about, give or take, $14 to redo them. Not bad. So when they lost their handlebars, they decided to put duct tape, and now she's taking it off because we have bought some new handlebars. And then meanwhile, Daddy's washing them off so he get ready to spray paint.
Okay, inside these things you get a bunch of spiders and spider webs. So rinse everything off, give it a quick dry. Rinse that off in there.
Cool.
It was like full of spider webs, and if you leave them outside, that's what happens. So there you go, all that rust.
Awesome. Okay guys, so now after we sanded down the
I like how you say
we sanded it down. My husband put this string on like that so he can spray paint every single piece. So that's the secret, guys. It's also a professional way of doing things. You get the string, you tie it from one end to another, and you spray paint. Yep. This is why big companies charge you guys so much. Make it the other side. Obviously my husband doesn't know not to get in my way. So that's how he's gonna do this.
All this overspray is going in your lens.
Just like that. Satisfying.
Get a nice little light coat, and then we'll come back.
It's like music.
Awesome, guys. This here is also another professional way of painting, spray painting the smaller things. You put it on a tree stump and you spray paint. In the spirit of professionalism and professional tools, please, what did you do, baby?
I couldn't take the wheel off, so I had to cover it. First I painted it red, plugged it and painted it red. My daughter taped it, so kind of be, yeah. And then I made some slits of cardboard, slid them in, that way I could paint the inside. And
yep, guys, this is a professional tool that professionals use to paint when the wheel, you can't take off the wheel. And this is the professional way of painting. Yeah, this is professional way of painting too without latex gloves. But who needs gloves when you have soap and water? Oh, this is looking good. This is looking, look at that. Professionalism. Mr. Quintero is doing it again.
I made myself. This is just a little coat so I can...
Okay, so now that we are fully dried, we are going to try to assemble.
Try is a very good word.
The professional thing to do is not to label everything.
Label it.
Can't label it. This is making
fun out of it.
Right. So, joy to the world. We're gonna try it.
We'll see what happens.
What will happen, guys? What do you guys think?
It can't be that hard. It's just a scooter.
Progress.
Progress.
Look, guys, and he didn't label anything.
Yay!
Can't
that
wait.
sucks that my hands are super dirty, and the red stuff I kind of like.
Oh yeah, guys. I think we're gonna run and get some.
So now I gotta come back and just tape
some gloves. Oh, you have your gloves? Work gloves? No, that's not gonna work. Okay. That look right there said it's not gonna work. But look, guys, and that one's getting ready to be disassembled.
Yeah, we might get to it today.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it. I know you guys can see it. That is what happens when you are banging out and
like a roll-off.
Yeah, it's painful. So he's hitting it hard because he's trying to take it out.
This right here.
And he missed.
See, these handlebars were rusted up in here. They were rusted up in there. So I couldn't get it out. I put this thing in, you know, but it was inside here. I put it in and it wouldn't come out. So I grabbed it. I grabbed it like this. Then I grabbed the hammer and went boom. This thing went
boom.
Boom!
Oh, it ricocheted.
It ricocheted.
Oh my goodness! And there it is, guys. And it's lumpy. I know you guys can't see it, but there's a lump.
Oh, it's a lump.
That's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt more tomorrow.
It didn't hurt right now.
But you didn't cry, huh, baby? Can everybody just give him an applause? Insert applause here, guys, because he didn't cry.
He cried.
But pizza will make it better right now.
So it is Monday, guys. We were busy on Sunday, but this is what we have so far. We got in the grips. We got the grips in.
The grips right here.
They're fully assembled. Grips over here as well. Now we put it on the clear. What are these called? Wheels. And we will do the final revealing next. And there you guys have it. They don't even look. Let me put a picture right somewhere around here, guys, of how they used to look. And look it. New handlebars, new wheels, fresh paint. Remember, guys, when he disassembled everything, painted, and then the handles and the wheels. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. We are going to do some decals. We're going to do some stickers and, you know, add some stickers on there. But that is, and I think what the total cost for each was, give or take, about $16, give or take. So, and you know, they're still the original. And I'm telling you, my daughter's is actually a third generation. Her aunt, who is 34, 32. How old is?
No, I think it was my niece.
Yeah, her niece. And her niece is currently 18 right now. No, 19. And they had that scooter when they were little. Valeria happened to go to Grandpa's house, and she wanted a scooter, so Grandpa's like, oh, I think I have one in the back. And as you guys see in the picture, it was kind of beat up, but there you guys have it. How gorgeous. If you guys like this if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys can see more of Today with Mr. Quintero. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.